Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to remove a FRP lock from a Motorola Exynos device using ChimeraTool. This phone is FRP locked and cannot be activated without the password for a linked Google account. We'll fix that with ChimeraTool. Turn off and disassemble the device in order to have access to perform a test point to connect it to Chimera. Once detected, select the correct model and confirm. Then go to the Repair tab. Choose Remove FRP. And click OK to continue. Chimera will then ask you to disconnect the phone and reboot it into recovery mode. To enter in recovery mode, hold volume down and power buttons until the Android screen appears. Select recovery mode with the volume buttons and confirm with the power button. After recovery finishes, the phone starts normally. Now you can activate it without the Google account, as the FRP lock has been successfully removed. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.